Welcome to the Autoverse, where we explore the stories and specs of cars that have left a lasting impact. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the timeless Citroën 2CV Dolly, a beloved classic that stands as a symbol of French automotive ingenuity. The Citroën 2CV Dolly, produced during the 1980s, encapsulates the charm of the original 2CV, while adding a splash of fun with its two-tone paint schemes and vibrant personality. It was equipped with a modest 602cc, two-cylinder, air-cooled engine, producing around 29 horsepower. While this engine may seem small compared to other classic muscle cars, it provided enough power for the car's lightweight design, offering a top speed of about 70 miles per hour. The 2CV Dolly was not built for speed, but for affordability, simplicity, and practicality, making it a favorite among countryside drivers and city commuters alike. The looks of the Citroën 2CV Dolly are unmistakable. It features a playful vintage design with curvy fenders, a sloping roof, and round headlights that give it a quirky and endearing appearance. The Dolly's exterior design was made even more iconic by its unique paint schemes, often in lively combinations like red and white or yellow and black. The canvas rollback roof added to the car's distinct character, allowing for open-air driving, a feature that made the 2CV a joy to drive on sunny days. Inside, the Citroën 2CV Dolly is simple yet functional. The interior embraces the car's utilitarian roots with a minimalist dashboard, basic instrumentation, and comfortable hammock-style seats that maximize interior space. It was designed to be practical and durable, with easy-to-remove seats for carrying extra cargo, and a Spartan layout that reflected the car's no-nonsense approach to motoring. It's a testament to the idea that simplicity can be beautiful and efficient. In today's classic car market, the Citroën 2CV Dolly has become a sought-after collector's item. Depending on the condition, mileage, and level of originality, prices can range from $10,000 to $25,000 or more. Well-preserved examples, especially those with rare color combinations and meticulous restorations, are highly desirable among enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on the Autoverse to explore the legendary Citroën 2CV Dolly. If you enjoyed this classic car review, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more content on iconic cars, both vintage and modern, as we continue our journey through automotive history.